Round 1 with Sligo Chess and Culture Festival 2026. So located from picture in this place in Europe in Enniskron, Sligo in Irelian. So this is the place is wonderful here. So it means so today's round number 1 and also between my favorite players and beautiful and sexy by woman candidate master in Bolivia is Alexandra Prado. So she was born in 1995 in Bolivia. So with the start of this one with beginners with chess, so it means Alexander Prado was start of this learn of this training with chess. And faces by with international master in Germany is Alexander Krastev. Okay, so what do you think about the best round number 1 with Sligo chess here? So let's see of the studies of these games here. White pieces my favorite players in Alexandra Prado in Bolivia in woman candidate master versus black pieces international master in Germany is Alexander Krastev. So it means so 2 minutes here. So it means it is not about blitz without 2 minutes but also round robin. So it means 1 hour and 30 minutes here. So it means without standings, without Sligo chess and culture festival after round number 1. So white plays Prado is e4, c5 Krastev, knight c3, close Sicilian defense, and also e6, and also g3. Because the Prado, so it means without upcoming by, light square bishop g2 here. And also, pawn d5, without attacks this pawn with e4, captured with Prado, takes with Krastev, and also d3. So without upcoming by, wait, so it means without next by, this one with first by knight to f3 before with bishop to g5 here. So with that before bishop g5 and also push d4 with Krastev with that attacks with knights and also knight e4. So it is called by this one with openings with close Sicilian defense, Krosnoy defense variation. So it means with that Krosnoy. And also knight c6 with Krastev and also bishop g2 with Prado, bishop e7 and also queen e2. So it means good precise here with my favorite players with Prado. And also f5 with Krastev without disturbance with knights. And also knight g5 without good precise here. And also queen d7 with Krastev and also knight 1 h3. Why? Because if you before the moves with queen without upcoming by knight to h3 here. Without decided by Prado is knight 1 h3 and excelente is knight f6 with Krastev. Without upcoming by playing castling kingside here by next castling and also knight f4 good move my favorite players with Prado here. And excelente with Krastev castling kingside here. Castling kingside, so this is a first bad move with Prado, so does not like of this castling kingside. So the one's best of this currency move is queen to e6 check with a check here. So if you queen captured without accepted with check and also so choose up this one. Knight to captured. Knight takes e6. So this is a good slightly better. So it means with first with knights with the threats of rooks. With the threats and also rook to e8. So this is a goods for whites and blacks here. Okay, so back there this one with castling. So this is a bad move with Prado. And also excelente. Another excelente with Krastev is rook e8. Good move without idea with pins with the disturbance with queens. So this is a rook e5 here. And also knight h5. So this is a not interesting with book lines with Prado because novelty. So this is the old main lines here with first by database is knight to g. So knight g h3 or knight g h3. So it means so knight g e6. So knight g e6 or maybe here by queen to e6 check. So it means with a queen e6 check here. So it means with novelty is knight h5 novelty with Prado. And also pawn to g6 with Krastev without threatening the knights. Knight captured, bishop captured. Oh, so it means with the bishop captured with cross step, with more captured with that idea, with threats the disturbance by eliminates the queens here. And also, bishop d5 check, another bad move with Prado, so does not like of this computer engine. So the best move this one is queen to f3 here. So queen f3 is a likes of this computer before with queen to d5 with check. So with a challenge full with queen to queen. So this is a good slightly better for advantage for whites here. So back there is bishop d5 check with Prado, good move king g7 with cross step, and also queen f3 with a good determinations with Prado, and also h6 with a threats the knights, knight f7, strong move with Prado, so this is a good precise here, with a good interesting with Alexandra Prado. Rook e7 with a disturbance with threatening the knight sacrifice, so this is a sacrifice move with a good determinations with situations. And also, knight captured h6. And also, knight e5 brand x move with cross step before. So it means with that knights, with the threatening the queens. So this is a brand x move with cross step. So the best, once computer this one, is knight to b4 here. With the threatening of bishop here. So if you bishop to b3 with backwards, and also pawn to c4, sacrifice. So sacrifice with threats the bishop and pawns. So this is a good for blacks here. So this is a good slightly better for blacks. So it means so knight e5 without threatening the queen, so brand x with cross step, and also queen g2 backwards with Prado, and also rook backwards e8 and f4 with a threatening the knights. Knight captured with knight captured. So this is a below evaluation bar with cross step. So it means it is not sacrifice bad move. Without move of this one is same of bad. So the best once computer is knight to c6 here. So this is a goods once of this computer here. So this is a slightly better for blacks. So it means so knight capture sacrifice with a cross step. And also knight f7 Prado. What happened with Alexandra? So this is a brand X. So the best move is free capture only. Captured with knights. So it means so later from knight to f7. So need more first captured. So this is a goods for whites here. Okay, so back to this one with knight f7 brand x move with Prado, and excelente is knight e1. Oh, so it means with that knight e1. Oh, knight e1 with the threatening the queens. Wait, with the threatening the queens here. So with the threats the queens here, and also with rook captured. Oh, rook captured. So this is another with below evaluation bar. So this is a not interesting, so bad move with Prado. So the best once computer this one is knight to e5 here. So knight e5 threatening the queens here. So if you knight captured here, if you knight captured with queens, and also knight to captured with queens here. So knight takes d7. So if you bishop captured knights, and also king captured knights here, and also rook e2 check. Oh, rook e2 check. So it's a strong move. And also rook f2. So it means this is a rook f2 with a challenge with rook to rook, and also with rook backwards e8 here. Rook backwards e8. So this is a good slightly better for whites and blacks here. Okay, so back to this one is rook captured e1, challenge full with queen to queen, and accept by cross step, rook takes check. Oh, without check, so one piece down with Prado. So it means without one piece down with rook, so no more rook, so one rook down. with woman candidate master. And also, king e2. Why? Because if you rook takes e7 without check. So it means before rook captured accepted. And king f2 with Prado and also queen e7. So with that idea with threatening or move with queen e2 with check with that upcoming by mating net here. So another bad move with cross step. So it means that the best once computer is rook to e4 here sacrifice. Sacrifice. So rook e4 sacrifice. Sacrifice here by Krastev. So miss his move from Krastev here. So this is a good slightly advantage for blacks. So back there, queen e7 without upcoming by move queen e2. So it means without check with kings here. And also with move of knight e5 with Prado. So the first puzzle. So what do you think about the ones of this best of this one with strong with ones of this computer? So finding brilliant move with International Master Krastev. So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Boom! Bishop captured. Brilliant with cross step. So it means, so once of this computer, brilliant sacrifice move International Master cross step Alexander. And king captured rook. So it means one rook down with cross step. So king captured, so it means why if you before a bishop takes e5 sacrifice, so it means before king captured rook. So it means with that idea Prado, king captured rook. Very dangerous. With that idea with if you bishop captured here, so it means opening with check here. So if you check, so it means if you backwards, so if you backwards here, bishop to c7, so it means without openings with check here. So it means continue king captured e1 rook, bishop captured check, opening with check sacrifice without bishop, and also king f1, bishop captured bishop. Bishop captured. Rook captured and also bishop d7. Good move with cross step here. And also rook e1 disturbance without threatening without attacks with queens here. Without threatening the queens here. And also bishop b5 check. Good move. Another good move with cross step with check. And also king f2. Another third excelente is queen g5 without good precise with that idea with queens with queen d2 with check. So with a check here, so with that upcoming without check. And also king g1 without no more wipe. So it means no more by queen d2. So it means without check. So it means no more by queen d2. So no more queen d2. So it means without check because this is a backwards with kings here. And another fourth good move excellent is rook e8 challengeful rook to rook. Rook captured, so what happened? Another, so it means another bad move again with Prado. So it means it is not another bad move, but also this is according by analyze of this chess.com blunder ratios with Alexander Prado. So the best once computer queen f2 defense of this rook later from rook captured rook to rook here. So this is more control. So first by queen f2. So this is a goods for whites here. Okay, back there this one rook capture blunder ratios with Alexander Prado. Queen c1 check. Why? Because if you before of this one blunder ratios rook captured rook, so it means before queen c1 check dangerous with whites. So it means wins for cross step. And queen c1, so queen c1 with cross step with check. And also king f2, queen captured pawn with check, king f3, queen d3 check, king f4, another excellent bishop captured rook. So it means, so queens and bishop, so it means this is a same of this one. So 4 connected pass pawn versus 6 connected pass pawn. So this is a lose for whites. So it means so same by clocks with 2 minutes plus 17 seconds. So white versus black. So let's continue. Bishop captured rook, queen f2, and also king f6, and also h4 with Prado, and queen d1. So the last of this move here, round number 1. So my favorite players, Alexandra Prado, resigns. So why she resigns? For example, so if you bishop captured only move with Prado, and also queen g4, game over with whites, lose from whites, game over. So it means I hope Alexander Prado win from this one with another next time here. So go Alexander Prado. My favorite players, my also fan with her. So the score with Alexander Prado 82.4, and the score with Krastev 92.1. Win of round number 1, Alexander Krastev. So you can do it, Alexandra Prado. So next round from this one with wins here. So I will analyze with next of the skip round number 5 here. So I will analyze with soon. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm MarkLogi17, aka IcoMark17. Have a good day, keep safe, and don't forget by notification below with YouTube accounts MarkLogi17 with English only, and MarkLogi17 Part 2 with Speak Cebuano and Tagalog with notification below. So I will next up this one with continues with Tata State Chess round number 12 between Tai Van Nguyen versus Vincent Gamer. So I will analyze of this soon. So keep updates of this next chess updates. Sayonara. Bye bye.